Thailand's constitutional court has dissolved the Move Forward Party for allegedly violating the constitution through its proposal and campaign to amend Section 112 of the Criminal Code, also known as the Lèse-Majesté law, which prohibits criticisms against the monarchy. In a unanimous decision on Wednesday, the court also imposed a 10-year ban on the party's executive board, including former leader Pita Limjaroenrat and current chief Chaitawat Chalaton. Pita, who led the MFP to victory in the 2023 general election, was especially popular among young and urban voters for his pledge to reform the strict royal defamation law, which rights groups argue has been misused to suppress pro-democracy movements. However, Pita's bid to become prime minister was thwarted by conservative forces in the Senate. Earlier this year, his political career faced further turmoil when the Election Commission requested the dissolution of the MFP by the country's top court. The court's decision follows a ruling 6 months ago that compelled the MFP to abandon its plan to reform the royal insult law, declaring it unconstitutional and potentially damaging to Thailand's governance system, which includes the king as head of state. While the ruling is expected to anger the millions of young and urban voters who supported the party, its immediate impact will be somewhat contained. Only 11 current and former executives are banned from political activity for a decade, allowing 143 of the party's lawmakers to retain their seats in parliament. These lawmakers are expected to regroup under a new party, similar to the reorganization in 2020, when MFP's predecessor, the Future Forward Party, was disbanded for violating election finance laws. Thai law allows lawmakers from a dissolved party to maintain their seats if they join a new party within 60 days. On Wednesday, MFP leaders announced their intention to form a new party this week. Chaitawat stated at a press conference that the court's decision sets a dangerous precedent for constitutional interpretation. Regional human rights group Forum Asia has criticized the court's decision, stating that it poses significant risks to democratic principles, political pluralism, and civic space in Thailand. In their statement, Forum Asia urged Thai authorities to respect the people's right to political expression and participation. All government actions should be transparent, lawful, and respectful of people's freedoms of expression, peaceful assembly, and association in accordance with the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, to which Thailand is a state party. The NGO declared, "The disbandment of the MFP marks a significant moment in Thailand's political landscape, raising questions about the future of democratic reform and the role of conservative forces in the country's governance."